Hi, it's me, Mila Rose, and we are finally here. I say finally because I spent some time off camera getting change because I hadn't gotten change in quite some time for my sinking funds, so I could actually stuff my sinking funds. But now we're here and we're ready. So we're gonna get right into it. You know how we do sinking funds. We don't play games here, okay? We just get right into it. So, parents' anniversary, that literally just happened. Literally just gave them their money. So we only have $6 left, and they're gonna get 3. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3. So that's gonna put us at 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, yeah, okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $10 to them, and I'm really debating. I'm like, should I go ahead and switch this out? I think I might. So we'll go ahead and take these 5, put that back, grab this 5, put that 10, and we'll go ahead and mark $10 for March for parents. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay. 10 for parents' anniversary. Mother and Father's Day, that gets 3 as well. Let's see where we are. So 10, 20, 21, 22. And 1, 2, and 3. I am going to go ahead and leave this one as is. Just because I'm thinking about the next page though, because I have like 4 that needs to go. So I need at least $12 in ones plus another 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I think I can make that work. Okay. I will go ahead and leave that then. Where are we at with that one? Of course, now I've blanked out. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 for them. Oh, like I couldn't just add it. It's sitting right in front of me. How hilarious. Okay. Put that back into where that goes because we're trying to keep things nice and neat and tidy. Because that helped out so much when I had everything just together and ready to go. Birthday time. All right, y'all. So it is the parents' birthday month. I have 2 Pisces for parents. The joy, y'all. The joy. So I've already pulled their money out for this month to send to them. They're getting $3 more. So that gives them 6 each now. So we're going to keep 1. I'm going to honestly still put this back and grab 5. So now we're at 6 for mom total. It'll be the same for my dad. Their birthdays are 4 days apart, so I don't even be tripping. I'm not even going to do that game. It's supposed to be 6 total, so here's 5. Here's 6. Because it's just not even worth it. My sister has, I was going to say, I don't know how much my sister has. Okay, she gets 3. 1, 2, and 3. So that gives us 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 25 for my sister, and I'm going to let her keep that. She is getting close to her total. We'll put that away. And we will just add those in there. So 6, 6, 25. Perfect. All right, Juneteenth gets $2. Oh my gosh, y'all. I feel like this is the fastest I've ever done this, which is really exciting to me. It should be 31, 20, 25, 30, 31, and 32, 33. 33 total for Juneteenth / 4th of July. Do I know what I'm doing this year for that? Nope. Probably would just go to some celebration or something like that. Hopefully it won't be super expensive because I did not put a lot of money aside for it, but if it does cost a little bit, I'll just add to it somewhere. 15 for Thanksgiving, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, correct, plus 15. Oopsie. 10 and 5. And I'm actually going to take this and trade all of that out for a 20. Perfect. Because I feel like I'm going to need those 5s. Okay. So that should leave me with 90. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Perfect. And keeping that envelope nice and small. So we ended with that one. 90. Y'all, this is the fastest I have ever done this. That prep work beforehand really helps you out. Okay, Christmas gets 25. Oh, I upped Christmas. How interesting. We are at 100 now, so 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. 25. So that leaves us with 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 25. 125 for Christmas. One, 2, 5. New Year's gets 10. Oh, we up New Year's too. That's right, because New Year's came and kicked my butt this year. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, and another 10 is 55. Fantastic. Y'all, it is 6 minutes. We have one more left, and it's only been 6 minutes. Valentine's, which still doesn't have an envelope. Really need to do something about that. But Valentine's gets $5. And now we have 10. So I'll change that to 10 on that. We are at 7 minutes. I don't think I've ever had one go this quickly. Let me fill this in, because there we go. We don't want to get caught up because we're excited, because we're doing well. Y'all, that's it. This is the first one. It's finished. We're done. 7 minutes exactly. I'm ecstatic. Okay, so I am gonna still stop the video, and am I gonna stop the video? Should I just finish them up? Because I mean, I do have quite a few on this one, and I feel like this one always takes longer. So yeah, I am gonna stop, and we're gonna do a part 2, and we'll finish up our sinking funds for the month of March. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye bye.